Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm at my friend's house today, my mate Adam, who I went to medical college with, and he's never ridden off-road before. He's ridden road bikes and loves it, and we go out together on those road bikes, but he's never ridden anything off-road or a bike like this. So we've booked into Dave Thorpe Honda on Exmoor in a few weeks time, and I thought it'd be great to come to Adam's field and just let him have a go and get that first little bit over with, the first bit, you know, the unfamiliarity of trying to get going on a bike. So we'll crack on and see how we get on. Right, so we've got it on the ground. Adam just tried getting it up, pointing forwards. What he has noticed, he's got, you know, we're relatively short, the pair of us. So putting the handlebar out to the front of the bike is actually a bit too wide for lifting, so we put it back the other way. So Adam's gonna have a go at lifting it with his back to the bike now. Let's go, Adam. Come on, you wimp, get on with it. Personally, I always find it easier going forwards. I just don't think that's intuitive, and I think that's probably worse for your back. How was that?
That's all right.
That was all right. Should we lay it down again and do it forwards?
No, you can do it forwards.
So it's really interesting going back to the beginning on this. I mean, this was me probably 8 months ago. You know, I'd never ridden off-road, never done anything, and never ridden a bike like this. So it's really interesting seeing somebody else right at the beginning of that learning curve, and I must say Adam is doing really well. I'm really excited for him. So what I've suggested you try now is just doing a little stop on the way down the hill and just get that feel for it. Almost, not quite a stop. So yeah, just going back to the beginning of the learning curve, you know, I think we tend to assume our skills have always been there, but it takes a lot of practice and a lot of stuff like this to get that familiarity and that comfort with the bike, and I'm certainly still finding that familiarity in how the bike feels. So what I'm hoping is this will set Adam up and get rid of that first 2 hours on the course where you just feel really nervous, really shitting yourself, and it all gets a bit tricky. Oh, he stalled it again. It's actually really nice as well seeing my bike being ridden. It looks like a cool bike. I know people have this bit of a Marmite thing with the 890 Adventure R. Personally, I absolutely love it. I think it's a great looking bike. It's a bit like a sort of Land Rover Discovery of the bike world.
So overall less intimidating and daunting than I thought it would be. I think being on long grass, it's really quite slippy, so I think that thing of moving from front brake to back brake is like one of those things that's really really important, and that felt really different. So I can get to the point at which I can pretty much just hold still, and I think it's really weird riding a bike that moves on tick over as well, because my road bike, so 790 Duke, doesn't. Yeah, other than that, the weight's not an issue. To be honest, the width is more of an issue. I think the width of the bars is that's really quite noticeable, and I think also this is a bit distracting because it's not part of your bars. So on a road bike, you know, that's you're sort of looking through the screen, but your screen's going like this and your handlebars are going like that. So that's a bit weird. Other than that, yeah, I'd really like to have a go on some dry stuff. Yeah. I think it'd be really cool. Yeah, so thank you.
So once again, thanks for watching. I'm really excited for Adam to get his teeth into this type of riding. You know, I think it's really amazing to be able to do different adventures and also to have a bike that you can do anything on. So, you know, this one will rip it up on the road and it'll also go incredibly well off-road. So amazing balance of a bike, which I love, and super excited about getting Adam onto this course and hopefully turn his head onto the dark side of motorcycling. So once again, thanks for watching. Really appreciate your time as always. If you liked the video, then please hit the subscribe button and I'd be really grateful. See you again next time and have those mini adventures.
No, you can't stop me now.